They promise power, they promise speed, they promise prestige. But these engines, they also promise trouble. From catastrophic failures to insane maintenance costs, these 25 engines have drained wallets and crushed dreams. Let's count down the engines that made car lovers cry, both from frustration and the repair bills. Number 25. Wankel Rotary, Mazda RX-8. Yes, it deserves a second mention, because while it powered a beautiful machine, the RX-8's version of the Rotary suffered from oil flooding, apex seal wear, and catastrophic failure if you didn't treat it with love, and constant oil. Number 24. Ferrari F156 V8 early models. Exotic, sure, but early versions had valve guide issues, oil leaks, and serious reliability problems. Maintenance costs were stratospheric, and repairs sometimes matched the price of a compact car. Number 23. Peugeot 1.6 liters THP Turbo, co-developed with BMW. Turbo lag, oil leaks, timing chain stretch, and carbon deposits were just the beginning. Many considered it one of the worst small turbo engines ever made. Reliability wasn't in its vocabulary. Number 22. Chrysler Hemi 5.7 liters MDS equipped. The Hemi roars until the lifters fail. The multi-displacement system saved gas but destroyed engines. Once the cam wore out, it was game over, or at least $7,000 down the drain. Number 21. VW VR6 3.2 liters. Sounded amazing, performed well, but suffered from timing chain tensioner failures buried deep in the engine. When things went wrong, labor costs skyrocketed. Some mechanics wouldn't even touch it. Number 20. Saab 2.0 liters turbo B207. High-strung and fragile. Timing chain failures, sludge issues, and weak pistons made these unpredictable at best. Some lasted long with perfect maintenance, others blew up on the freeway. Number 19. Mitsubishi 4B11T Lancer Evolution X. Turbocharged fun that came with a cost. Rod knock, clutch failure, and weak internals made it prone to self-destruction if pushed hard. Owners with heavy feet learned that lesson the hard way. Number 18. GM 3.6 liters V6 LY7. Another GM headache. Timing chain stretch, oil leaks, and overheating made this a frequent flyer in repair shops. It wanted premium care, but didn't deliver premium performance. Number 17. Toyota 3.0 liters V63 VZE. Even Toyota has its skeletons. Head gasket failures were far too common for an engine wearing the Toyota badge. Reliability? Not here. And once it went, repairs weren't cheap. Number 16. Mercedes-Benz M272 and M273. Great to drive, a nightmare to own. Balance shaft and timing gear issues led to massive repair bills. Mercedes quietly fixed later models, but early adopters paid dearly. Number 15. Nissan 3.5 liters VQ35 VE. Early models. Smooth and responsive, until it wasn't. Timing chain tensioners wore out fast, oil burning became common, and pre-cat failures could destroy the engine. A sleeper engine, in the worst way. Number 14. Ford 6.0 liters Power Stroke Diesel. Powerful? Yes. Reliable? Not. EGR coolers failed, head gaskets blew, and injectors clogged constantly. Some mechanics made a career just fixing these. Bulletproofing became a full-time industry. Number 13. Range Rover TD V6 Diesel. Diesel torque and luxury go together, right? Not here. Crankshaft failures, turbo problems, and high-pressure fuel system nightmares plagued this engine. Repairs regularly exceeded $10,000. Number 12. Hyundai 2.4 liters Theta Tube GDI. On paper, it looked great. In reality, it stalled, seized, and sometimes caught fire. A massive recall followed, but the class action lawsuits rolled in. Engine replacements were common and costly. Number 11. BMW N63 V8. This one should have come with a financial advisor. Turbochargers cooked themselves, valve stem seals failed, and oil consumption hit new highs. BMW eventually issued a customer care package, but the damage was done, and so were your savings. Number 10. GM 2.4 liters Ecodec LD5. Timing chains stretched, water pumps failed, and pistons cracked. Not what you'd expect from a four-cylinder. Owners paid the price, often before hitting 80,000 miles. Number 9. Volkswagen 1.8T EJ25. Turbocharged and torquey, but known for coil pack failures, PCV issues, and sludgy internals. Many 1.8Ts died before their time, often taking bank accounts down with them. Number 8. Ford 5.4 liters Triton V8 3-valve. Ford packed these into everything, but spark plugs breaking off during removal, cam phaser issues, and oil pressure problems gave owners nothing but headaches. Some called it the exploder. Number 7. Mini Cooper S R56 N14 engine. Cute on the outside, chaotic on the inside. Timing chain tensioners failed constantly, turbo seals leaked, and carbon buildup was relentless. Fun to drive? Sure, but your bank account wouldn't agree. Number 6. Mazda Rotary 13B. A cult classic, but a wallet killer. It revs high, but wears fast. Apex seals fail early, oil consumption is ridiculous, and rebuilds are expensive. If you daily drove it, you probably regretted it. Number 5. Jaguar EJ V8 early models. British engineering at its finest or worst. The Nickel cylinder liners corroded over time, causing compression loss and catastrophic failure. If the engine lasted 100,000 miles, it was a miracle. Number 4. Audi 2.0 TFSI EA888 Gen 1. Great performance when it worked, but timing chain failures, oil consumption issues, and carbon buildup turned this engine into a ticking time bomb. Repairs? They cost more than some used cars. Number 3. Chrysler 2.7 liters V6. This one almost killed Chrysler's reputation. Sludge buildup, oil starvation, and early engine death made this a disaster under the hood. Even regular maintenance wasn't enough to save it. Number 2. Subaru EJ25. Ask any Subaru owner about a head gasket. Now watch their face drop. The EJ25 is powerful for its size, but it eats head gaskets like candy. Overheating, oil leaks, and expensive repairs are baked into its DNA. Number 1. BMW N54. It was revolutionary. Twin turbos, direct injection, loads of power. But the N54 quickly became infamous. Failing fuel injectors, turbo rattle, and high-pressure fuel pump disasters made this one a mechanic's dream and an owner's nightmare. They were marketed as marvels, but behind the horsepower and torque figures were mechanical nightmares waiting to explode. Some of these engines came from luxury brands, others from manufacturers you expect better from, but the result was the same: skyrocketing repair bills, tow trucks on speed dial, and disappointed drivers who simply wanted to enjoy their car. Engines are supposed to be the heart of the car, but these were heartbreakers. So, if you're thinking of buying a used car with any of these engines, think twice. And maybe, just maybe, save a few thousand for the repairs. You'll probably need it. If you found this video helpful or eye-opening, don't forget to hit that like button. It helps the channel more than you know. Have you ever owned one of these engines? Or worse, been burned by one? Drop your experience in the comments. We read every single one. And if you love content like this, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another breakdown that could save your wallet and your heart.